In the silence of the night, when shadows feel endless, a spark begins to rise. Hope whispers through the darkness, reminding us, it's always darkest before the dawn.
The ink of night, it bleeds so deep across the canvas of my sleep. Each star a pinprick in the gloom, whispering secrets of the darkness. The shadows stretch, they claw and bind, leaving no solace for my mind. A heavy blanket, cold and vast, this endless darkness built to last. But oh, I feel it start to stir, a faint vibration in the blur. A whisper promises the light to break the hold of this long night. It's darkest before the dawn, they say, and I'm holding on to that small ray of fragile hope, a nascent gleam woven into this tortured dream. Silence roars, a deafening sound, where all my fears are tightly bound. Each breath I take, a chilling sigh, as time drags on beneath the starless sky. The weight of what I've lost and grieve, the broken promises believe. This hollow ache, this weary soul, beneath the darkness, taking its toll. But oh, I feel it start to stir, a faint vibration in the blur. A whisper promises the light to break the hold of this long night. It's darkest before the dawn, they say, and I'm holding on to that small ray of fragile hope, a nascent gleam woven into this tortured dream. Time when courage fades, when shadows dance and masquerades, when doubts of venom in the air, and whispers tell you not to care. But deep within, a flicker bright refuses to surrender to the night, a stubborn ember holding on, waiting for the rising sun. And oh, I feel it start to stir, a faint vibration in the blur. A whisper promises the light to break the hold of this long night. It's darkest before the dawn, they say, and I'm holding on to that small ray of fragile hope, a nascent gleam woven into this tortured dream. Edges soften, colors creep, as slumber starts to lose its deep. A blush of pink, a golden hue, a brand new day breaking through. It's darkest before the dawn, it's true. darkness fades, the shadows flee, and it's a brand new day.